Hey guys, welcome to Bhadra IAS Academy. So there has been many queries and questions as to what are the booklets that Bhadra IAS Academy is providing for 2024 APSC mains crash course. So in this video we'll be discussing as to what are those booklets you are finding. See, from GS1 we will be providing you guys 3 booklets. The booklets will be from Indian history, art and culture, geography as well as society. If I talk about GS2, in total you will be getting 3 booklets from GS2 as well, right? It will be from polity governance, international relations and social justice. If we see GS3, then we will be providing you 5 booklets which will be from economy, environment and ecology, internal security, science and tech and disaster management. Coming on to GS4, we just have 1 booklet which will be from ethics and aptitude. At the same time, let's see GS5. GS5 will be providing you 5 booklets in total which will be from Assam history, art and culture again, Assam geography, Assam economics, Assam polity and Assam's internal security. So if you at all want to grab these books, then do take admission in Bhadra IAS Academy's mains APSC 2024's crash course. Call us to this number.